Hi guys, it's Motozi here again, and today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the AeroCool Trinity Mini. Um, the Mini does not actually stands for ITS case or stuff like that. It's just a Mini, as in is a compact case, and yeah. I'm gonna be showing comparison to one or two other cases like the S100TG from Thermotech, and I have another one from Leon. I'm gonna be doing comparison so you can see how big the case is. So here we have the case, as you can see it. It said it's mini. I'm gonna bring it out of the box. And for those of you that don't like to see unboxing, you can skip over to another side, but for now I'm just gonna get it out of the case so you can know what comes in the case with it. So basically it's just a solo pack, nothing so serious, and here we are. The one, oh, okay. First of all, there are three different versions of this case. They have it in the RGB version, they have the black only version, and they have another one is the addressable RGB. I have the one with addressable RGB. They are basically the same case. There's no different from the three cases. The only difference you see is just the RGB included and the black version of it. So it's so simple. I like cases whereby they are not too big to put on your table and stuff like that. So here you see they have the thermo, that is the tempo glass on this side, and the other side is just the melter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like tell you if it worth the price or not. Basically, let me see if we can do an installation in it, but let's do the peeling. Listen. Woo! Can you hear that? But it's not really sticky. It's just being put on top of it. So first, I'm gonna start from the top. We get two USB 3 and I think a regularly USB, audio and mic, restart button, and the power button on top. This case is designed around a lot of vent, so there's a lot of ventilation on every side, even under. And the good thing about this is there's no mesh there. It's just a cutout holes for whatever fan you're gonna put down there. And I'm gonna remove the front panel. And like I said, I always do, if you wanna remove the front panel, look for the hole under, put your hand in, be careful, it's a little bit sharp under here, and pull it out, and that is it. This is plastic, it's not melter. So don't think it's gonna be something that is gonna be breakable. It's just basically plastic. And we have the mesh inside here. And we got two RGB fan, and these are addressable RGB fan. And the case is a little bit small. It's good. It saves a lot of space on the table. I think I should name this video where you can save some space on your table. So it does save a lot of space on the table. So I'm gonna remove the tempered glass. I'm gonna leave a lot of stuff for the dismantling. You remember, guys, we do a lot of dismantling video. So I'm gonna leave some for dismantling. There are thumb screws whereby you can use your hand to remove them. They are so small. I will do a video on top of them. They are thumb screws, and they are easy to remove. They are not so tight. And the glass is a tempo glass. Not so thick, it's lighter. I think that's where they save some costs. So, but it's light, it's tinted, it's okay. I would not complain about this, so it's okay. We got a manual here, which basically tells you a lot about the case and stuff like that. The kind of radiator or fans you can use. There are three included 120 millimeter. This is 140 in front, two 140 in front, and basically 120 at the back. and these are included with the case, so you save yourself a lot of money from there. You got the connector for the IOs, which are here already. The back panel, thumb screws, plastic is plastic mixed with a little bit of melter. It's different from the one for the front glass. Remove that also, and you bring it out. Okay, this is very, very flimsy. It's not very strong, so you need to be very careful. You can easily bend it and you may not be able to get it back into space. The locking mechanism are not that great. They are so-so. So yeah, so-so like my Chinese people used to say. So back here, we got the wires. They really managed to use light melters, light to build this case, so it's not very heavy. For some other people, that may be great. I think I would like it. Also, I do like it if you're not moving around. I like it because it's small and compact. You can have the hard drive, you can have two hard drive here, SSD, two SSDs also. You can have them both on the hard drive cage, which is here. This is a normal new procedure everybody is doing. So basically, they are Molex connector for the fans. They are RGB fans. I'm not sure how they are being controlled yet, but I'm gonna take a look into it. So first, they didn't come with any box. The tools and everything are being bagged up in this bag, not in a cardboard or anything that makes it fancy. You have basically all the screws you're gonna be needing, and you got 4 zip ties, which they chip out in. So that is it for the packaging. The RGB light are connected with Molex. I'm not sure how the RGB are being powered, but I'm gonna find out how those are being powered. So if you ask me what are the things I really don't like much about this case, I'm gonna start with the connection of the RGB. Molex connector for the RGB. There are 3 stacked together, which I believe they could have actually find a better way to do this rather than just this Molex connector. It's actually powering the RGB light also, and which maybe basically you cannot control the RGB from your motherboard or so like that. We'll find out about that also. And I'm gonna go deep into the disassembling of this case when we go into disassembly, which I'm gonna be doing after all. What are the things I don't like about this case, even just from unboxing it? The false impression about this case is I don't like the connector, which is the Molex. There is no basic mesh helping you here to keep dust from coming under, but you can get a lot of ventilation from there. If you look basically inside also, all the power shard here is holes are being perforated into them, and they make it in such a way that you can hang 2 fans also here to get more fan and more air into your system. But I wouldn't say I love it, but it's okay, it's great. So you can have a total of fans that can go with this system. We're gonna have 2 on top, 2 down here, that is 4. We have another 2 in front here, which makes it 6, and 1 in the back, which makes this a total of 7 different kind of fans that you can hang up here. 120 fans can also go, which will be great, but since they are included, you have 2 140 included, I don't think you should go on buying any other fans. So you can have, oh yeah, back to the motherboard that is compatible with this system. ITS motherboard and Mini motherboard are compatible with this system, so you can use only those 2 motherboards. I'm going to insert them inside so you can have a view of what it looks like. So guys, the case is light, like I said. There's not a lot of being invested in this case. It's just light melters everywhere, but the good thing about it is being compact. You can see the difference and the size and the height. If you have any question, put them down. I'll be coming back with dismantling of this case, whereby you can see anything more you need to see, like trying to customize this case to your own look or something like that. So guys, you have any question, drop it down there and I'll be sure to reply you. Have a nice day. Odabo.